A bench yoke vise is a foundational piece of equipment in any professional workshop, plumbing rig, or industrial fabrication environment, purpose-built to deliver steadfast holding power and unmatched reliability when working with cylindrical materials such as metal pipes, tubing, or conduit. Distinguished by its signature yoke-shaped top bar and V-grooved jaws, the vise secures round objects firmly in place, eliminating movement during cutting, threading, reaming, grinding, or welding operations. The frame, typically constructed from heavy-duty cast iron or drop-forged steel, is engineered to endure repeated high-torque applications and years of harsh use without cracking, warping, or degrading. Mounted to a stable workbench or workstation, the vise becomes an extension of the tradesperson's hands, offering a mechanical advantage that allows for precise manipulation of materials without slippage. The design leverages hardened steel jaws, often replaceable, that grip materials of varying diameters tightly and evenly, while the screw-adjusted clamping mechanism ensures quick and repeatable locking action. Anti-corrosion coatings, sturdy base mounts, and a wide pipe capacity range further enhance its adaptability in rugged fieldwork or high-volume production settings. More than just a tool, the bench yoke vise is an essential partner in ensuring both safety and precision on the job. With both hands free to operate additional tools or materials, users can work more confidently and efficiently, reducing the risk of injury and improving accuracy in every cut or thread. Advanced models often incorporate built-in pipe rests, swivel bases, and ergonomic handles for enhanced comfort and usability during prolonged sessions. The vise's ability to clamp securely without deforming delicate surfaces makes it invaluable across disciplines, from plumbing and evac to automotive repair, industrial maintenance, and metal fabrication. Some high-capacity models are capable of handling pipe diameters from as small as 1/8 inch to over 6 inches, accommodating a wide range of applications in commercial and residential environments alike. Whether you're threading black iron pipe for gas lines, cutting copper tubing for plumbing installations, or shaping aluminum conduit for electrical systems, a well-designed yoke vise offers the unwavering support, mechanical leverage, and operational precision needed to turn raw stock into refined results. It is, quite simply, a cornerstone of any serious tool bench, where strength meets control and craftsmanship begins.